Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The idea of a 2026 Bugatti Motorhome Caravan should be approached with a thorough awareness of Bugatti's fundamental characteristics. Not recreational vehicles, but ultra-high-performance, luxury sports automobiles are Bugatti's specialty. Consequently, a campervan with the Bugatti trademark would be a very rare and specialized endeavor. However, we may create a speculative image of such a vehicle by looking at the brand's established values. For the most discriminating customers, a 2026 Bugatti Motorhome Caravan would represent the pinnacle of performance and luxury. It would be a combination of Bugatti design philosophy, Bugatti's distinctive design features, which include graceful curves, aerodynamic efficiency, and painstaking attention to detail, would be incorporated into the RV. The entire car would be made of high-end materials including titanium, carbon fiber, and hand-stitched leather, uncompromising performance. With a strong engine and cutting-edge suspension system, the motorhome would put performance first even though it isn't a sports car. A smooth and comfortable ride would be guaranteed by the chassis' outstanding handling and stability engineering. Ultimate luxury, with custom furnishings, cutting-edge technology, and unmatched comfort. The inside would be a sanctuary of luxury. Standard amenities would include a private entertainment suite, a spa-like shower, and a gourmet kitchen. Integration of technology. Modern technology would be on display in the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome Caravan, including advanced connectivity, the smooth integration of smart home technologies that gives you control over your entertainment, lighting, and climate. Fast internet access that makes it possible to work and play remotely. Autonomous driving capabilities, including cutting-edge autonomous driving features to improve convenience and safety. Sustainable energy solutions, reducing environmental effect through the use of solar panels and cutting-edge storage technologies. In the luxury RV market, this motorhome would fill a specialized niche for people who want nothing less than the best. Important traits would include of ultra-high price point. The motorhome would be extremely expensive, which would be appropriate given its unique features and exclusivity. Bespoke customization. A great deal of customizing is possible because each motorhome is painstakingly built to the customer's specifications. Production would be severely limited in order to preserve exclusivity. Crucial points to remember. The fact that this description is a conceptual investigation must be emphasized. High-performance sports cars continue to be Bugatti's primary focus. As some cases have already demonstrated, it is more possible that a very high-end RV manufacturer would design an RV with a garage big enough to accommodate a Bugatti. The data presented is derived from an extrapolation of Bugatti's brand values and market trends for premium recreational vehicles. A 2026 Bugatti Motorhome Caravan would essentially be a mobile masterpiece that embodies the highest level of performance and luxury in automobiles.